Hi, documenting. This is a customer checkout system of a mall. This is basically how it works. You log in as an employee or an admin. You connect with the database. If you want to check out customer, you go checkout and you type the barcode there, and there will be receipt and it will update with your data. And here you add your product numbers, and that's how we add them, as there is no product number here and there is no barcode of input, so it will give me an error. This is the registered product page, and this is the barcode, and this is the items in stock, so you can't edit it. So this lists all the products that are available right now, and you can list a product item like this. I take a barcode, you paste a barcode, and you add the number of products you want to add, and you add the product, and the database is updated. And for updating the database, you have to click the update button, and it will essentially restart the program, and that's how the database will be updated, and you will get updated database. So it is essentially now connecting with the server, the database server, and it has given me error. So it will connect to the database server. I'm very sorry for that. That took a bit of time, and it needs a bit of debugging, but that's basically how it works. So check it, register product, and the third functionality is the admin page. Here, as an admin, you can update the database, you can do anything here, and here's the password. The thing that I haven't added is you can't delete a product, and that's the thing that I can add, but I prefer to do it from the database itself. So here's the item strokes, and you can update the item by just clicking here. You can update anything by clicking here. Like it's 0, I can update it like 100, and it will take the 100. And you can add also a product, like let's say that I don't have a standardized barcode, and I have a product of my own, and I have a product ID, so I will give the ID 001. Name, I think it's a milk powder, and brand name is Mr. Soda. SKU is 150 gram. Price is 140 BDT, and item is chalk. I say I have 122 number of products in my list. The product is added, and to see it update in the database, you have to update it from here, and it will take some time. It has updated the database and restarted the program, because you will see an updated database. The functionality that I use is a PyQ25, the framework. I'm facing a bit of problem with the framework, and that's why I've added this functionality like that you have to restart the program every time you want to update the database a new time, and even updated the database, you have to restart the program to work with the updated database. So that's basically how it works. Let's log in. So let's check out the customer. So take a notepad, and with the notepad I will take the barcode there. As I said earlier, that you can scan barcode a product, but I don't have a barcode scanner with me right now. That's why I didn't give the give the functionality yet, but it's very easy. It is very durable. So that is basically the barcodes, and let's say then the customer is gonna buy this product. So what I'll do is I will add this product. So first let's say I add this product, and this is I want one product of this, so I add the item, and this item added, there's Nestle Get Food Live item 1 and BD2 120, total is 120. This is kind of a receipt, and you see a virtual receipt here, and it's updated dynamically. And let's say with this product I want 23, and the total is 2990, and the subtotal and the total is 3110 BDT. So this I win this product, and I win 1, I win this product, I win 2, but there is only one this product, there is only one of this kind of product, that so I can't add it in, so I can't check out the customer with the number of products that is greater than available in the stock. So I'll say 1, just I'm sorry, let's say 12, add a new item. So this product, my stock doesn't have this product, so the product was 894. So this is the product, and I don't have enough in the stock, so that's why it gives me that error. So I will skip that, and I will give my new product, and I want one of this. Okay, so all the products is updated, and you can't edit this self. So the total items, so item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 FMR, Nestle Get Food with Life Formula, and number 4 is the same, and number 5 is the milk powder that we added, and the total is 3570, and this is the receipt. So I want to delete a product. I'll just type the barcode and I'll delete the item, and it will be gone from the list. I say I want to delete this, so I type the barcode and I deleted the item, and it gone from there. So from there I can check out the customer, and the customer is checked out, and receipt will be printed from the printer. So this is essentially the program. So I first have to log in, so I have some user data, and I have to give a password, and here's the table, MySQL table. So there are three tables. The first one is the Shadow admin table. This has my admin data. The admin data is this data. I'm sorry, this data. I can't add normal password and go to admin panel, so I need to put the admin data to go to admin panel. So then my password is wrong because it's admin panel, and my admin username is Sada at the rate of 423 as the password. So if I add dates, I'll be able to go to the admin page. So this is the admin page. You can say you can search a product, like this is my product. So all the database is updated. So I'll log out and it will give me the first screen. I'm sorry for that. This is the user table. Yep. It has two data. First is user TDS, username and password 123, and I have added admin also here because admin is a user. With giving admin info, you can log into this program. And here's the product table. I'm very sorry for the background noise. It's 10 o'clock at night and um, in my country it is a bit busy night at 10 o'clock and it will be busy for 12 o'clock, so I'm very sorry for the disturbance, background noise disturbance. I'm very sorry. This is a list and has the info that I updated. It has all the info and you see that today is 2026 to February and 27th, and then updated it is 10:31. Oh, very sorry for that. And this is the product. I'm very sorry. Should have seen that. This is the product that I have updated, and I'll dynamically update it again. As an admin, I'll add another product and it will be updated in the database. So let's say the product name is Hamilton 0001 and it is let's say a chocolate bar, cocoa bar. Brand name is Sardar. SKU is 10 gram. Price chocolate bar is say 30 BDT, and I have, let's say, 234 stock. So I added the item, it is added here, and if I update it, it will be updated in the database. So here in the database, if I restart the I refresh the page, I will be able to see the database. It is taking a bit time, I'm sorry. And here's the updated database element 001 Chocobar, Kekubar, Sada, 10 gram, 30, product price and product number 234. So that's essentially the program. And the database I have is my free SQL database, and has the credentials. So that's essentially the database. And here's the code of the program. This program is written in Python. So I have this free SQL database, and here's the input file for that. And has the input file for PIQT5, and I've used PIQT5 for this program. This is a existing product database, and I have added it. If the data is not there, it will be added in the database as initially. So I can just update the data in the database and put nothing here. That is very doable, and I think I'll do that in the future. This is the global variables, and this is the initial product data fetching from server. This first fetches the data, update the database, inserts the data, use data into database. This is the line edit, the input box. This input box is here. This is the buttons, all the buttons. This is the labels, all the labels, and there's a total of 10 kind of screens there. Maybe I forgot. So this is screen 0, the first screen that you see. This is screen 0. This login screen, this is 1. And here's the database connection logic. The screen 2 is this one. This is screen 2. This is screen 2 1. This is screen 2 1 1. Customer checkout. Oh yeah. Has the info about text. This text, and if it gets updated, has a database, the updated database when I click the checkout, and the receipt text is right here. Total, say BDT. I put it up here. Very sorry for the inconvenience and editing the code right now. This is update to database, but this function isn't called, probably. This is the screen filter bucket. That's the search box, essentially search box. It's going to add item to the input database. It's add item. Here's also the delete item from the database, and this is this function. This is the logout, the current user. So I log out, it goes to head, and this essentially does that, and this is the go back screen of that. This is the go back screen. Oh, right. And this is screen 2, and screen 2 is this one. It's the update database, it's database update. When I click this button, this is screen load table, and this loads the table here. Update temp database, temporary database. Probably when I write something here, it updates that. I forgot. Say it says the old value, and the old value is the string. That is saved, the integer value that is saved in the dictionary that I've used. This is the filter bucket, this is the search bar here, the search bar. Add new item to temporary database is this button. And this is the logout, and this is the go back screen. This is logout and go back screen. This is the screen 2 and the screen 2 is this, and it is admin button, username, password, login button, log out, go back, and there respectively username, password, log in, log out, and go back. But if I log out, it logs out. So it is connecting to the database. So I'll connector star admin. Oh, so connect to FreeSQL database, and this updates to right. Oh yeah, let's fetches the data from the admin panel. No, sorry, admin table, and this admin table, and compares it if it matches the data. As the luggage card chooser, luggage go back to current screen. You've seen it, and this those and this button. Oh shit. And there is this card 221. There's admin update page button. Like go back screen at this and this. The update database button is this, and a new item, this person is this. I mean this person. The search bar, barcode, product name, product brand name, SKU field, price field, item field. These respectively this, and this one. And this text is string, or this text is string. This also text string. This text is string, but this takes float value, and this takes an integer value. But if you give anything here, the price isn't right, and the item numbers isn't right, so it's added, and there's a problem. There can be error, and admin can make error, so that's a big problem. But you'll see how to resolve that. Probably a more reasonable a careful person needs careful person is preferable for handling this database admin panel. As I see the late table, this list all the tables. That's update database. It updates the database when you click the update. If you don't click the update, it won't update the database. Update temporary database, it is when I edit something here. So let's say 12, and the price is, let's say, 10 gram. Brand is Sardar, and it is chips, potato chips, and the barcode is Hemmentel 0002, and I'll update the database. So this is the barcode check. This is search screen. The database connection successful. Admin panel. I'll log in as an admin again. Oh, right. So this is the product that I have. I have added recently. filter by barcode. This is the search bar. So let's say all my products at the rate is at I1 set M2 at M2 2. These are the products that I've added. Oh yeah, right. This products is also listed here. M2, and a customer can also get these products a number of one and um 01, and the product can be added and number is 1. I can delete a product. I'll just copy it here, paste it, and I'll delete it the item, and there's no item here. Um, Sign in again. Okay, so add new item. It adds new item. It essentially, when that function is called when I click this button, it's the logo. As I go back to screen is expected this, then this button. Screen 2, 2, or 1, and this button is this button. I mean this is screen 2, 2, 1, 1, right? This is 13, and I update the database. And this screen is that. This is the main index, so I have a total of 10 starting from index 0, 10 screens. And that's basically the program. It's a bit of code, not very complex program. It's fairly easy. And this whole project is done the request of my father. He told me to make a program that he can later use, if basically what I know is he's making a mall, a small store, so it should be starting 6 months, could go 1 year before the store starts. And he told me that he would program a customer checkout system. So he requested me to make a program, and that is that. And this can scan barcode. The barcode functionality isn't given in the code, but it's fairly easy to give it. I don't have a barcode scanner. I'm sorry for the turn, can I? So it's very easy. It should be very easy to give a barcode scanner code, and whenever the employee will be scanning a product, it will be updated in the database now. It will update it in the temporary database, and upon checkout or register, or in the admin panel also. The main database will be updated. The main problem here is I've used a free SQL database, and it has some terms and conditions. The free SQL database is I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and it says that you have to update it every week. So we'll see about that, how it goes, and if I like it and I'll be using it. If I'll be using it, then I might also buy the subscription for a year, and we'll see from there. It's fairly cheap. We'll see what we're gonna do with the database, or I'll just change the database if it is of very inconvenience to me. We'll see which was the best. So that is what this program will be updated, and the main thing that I haven't updated it anymore is because it needs to be tested in real life. this whole functionality that I've given her, like for example the customer checkout system, um, I believe this whole thing needs to be redesigned because add item, delete item, and then membership, or my father might want to collect the customer data, their phone numbers, so I might need to update that also. Um, Such could be with product names. I, I would I may need to add also that the statistics might need to change and show design might not work here too. So I need to save as tested in real life. So I'll wait for my father's updated information and I'll see what I can do and I'll update the program like that after testing. So yeah, so I will update it in the future after testing it to the real customers and how will it behave. Like the whole interface might not be good in rush time. The employee might not like it, may fumble a pen or frequent checkers. I'm sorry. One, two. Frequent updating and restarting the program might be annoying and I might need to change it. And um, it might be a bit problem here and I might need to change this thing. And this is not a desired functionality to restart the program every time. So this might need to be changed. So this is basically the program for now and I will be changing it in the future. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.